So for example 6, we're going to evaluate powers with negative bases. You'll see in this example we have negative 8 to the power of 2 over 3. The negative sign is in front of the 8. There's no brackets there, so we know it's not part of the base. So we're going to leave it out in front. So we have negative cube root of 8 squared. We're keeping our negative in front. The cube root of 8 is 2, and that's squared. So our answer is going to be negative 4. You can see the difference that happens when the negative is inside the brackets and is part of the base. This time we write the cube root of negative 8 squared. Negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 gives us negative 8. So the cube root of negative 8 is negative 2, and negative 2 squared is equal to positive 4. So when the negative is not inside the brackets, your answer is negative 4. When the negative is inside the brackets, your answer is positive 4.